Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Expo CLI for React Native, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and configure Expo CLI for React Native, follow these steps. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Visit the official Node.js website at nodejs.org. Download the version recommended for most users. Run the installer and follow the setup instructions. Once Node.js is installed, open your command line interface. For Windows, use Command Prompt or PowerShell. For Mac, open the terminal. To verify the installation, type Node V and hit Enter. You should see the installed version of Node.js displayed. Next, install Expo CLI using npm, the Node Package Manager. In your command line, type npm install Expo CLI and press Enter. This command installs Expo CLI globally on your system. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you can confirm the installation by typing Expo version. You should see the version number of Expo CLI. Now, create a new directory for your React Native project. You can do this by typing dir my React Native app and hitting Enter. Change into this directory by typing cd my React Native app. To create a new Expo project, type Expo in it and press Enter. You will see a prompt to choose a template. Select either a blank template or one with tabs, according to your preference. After selecting the template, the setup will begin. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, navigate into your project folder by typing cd my React Native app. To start the Expo project, type Expo start and press Enter. This will start the Expo development server. You should see a QR code displayed in your terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.